Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the 10th question in exercise 1.4. It is given x is equal to a, b, c, d. So now let's rewrite this, and then y set is given to be f, b, d and g. You're asked to compute x minus y. So what is x minus y? All elements that are in x that are not in y. So first let's find out what are the elements that are common to both. You see that b is common in both the sets and d is common in both the sets. Now x minus y is going to be all elements in x that are not part of y. So we will have only two leftover elements, which is a and c. So x minus c is going to be a comma c. Now the second one is asked is y minus x. So y minus x is all elements in y that are not in x. We have already struck out the common elements. So the leftover ones in y is nothing but f and g. So this means y minus x has only two elements, f and g. Now for the third subdivision, it said that x intersection y. So x intersection y is nothing but list of all common elements. So in this case, whatever was common between the two. So b is common in both the case and d is common in both the case. So x intersection y is going to be b comma d. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 11th question in this exercise. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye.